Hitboxes, along with hurtboxes and AABB collisions, is one of the most fundamental mechanics in a 2D fighting game. I have a link below if you don't know what AABB is. For this video, I rewrote the script for the hitbox editor. To be more specific, I took what I used in the hurtbox editor and simply reused it because they're essentially the same. Both of them, hitboxes and hurtboxes, are rectangular boxes where all you're doing is checking in a specific frame whether they overlap each other or not. So here is an example. As you can see, I have some placeholder animations, Akuma. This will be switched later on. I have the hit reaction as well as the typical hit stop. You can barely see it right now, but the code is there. You can also see the VFX. Let me show you the hitbox editor. As you can see, it's exactly the same as the hurtbox editor from the last video. The only difference is who's the attacker and who's the target. So for the hurtbox, this player is a target, and for the hitbox, this is the attacker. And the boxes that represent the hitbox or the hurtbox, as you can see right now, the properties of them are exactly the same. I just chose different colors to represent them. One interesting detail is for the OLC Pixel game engine, which is what I'm using for this project, going upwards in the y-axis means your y position is getting smaller. So if you're up by 10 pixels from 0, 0, that's actually negative 10 on screen space for this engine. Just a little minor detail. That's it for this video. I'll add more stuff and keep you guys updated. I've been focusing more on my physical health recently, so the updates might come slower than usual, but they will be coming. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach me with the links below. See you next time.